How to choose the right Forex broker for you. With so many Forex brokers out there, selecting the right one can be both challenging and time consuming. So I hope this video will help you get a better understanding on what you need to look for to find the right one. Let's go over some basic tips to help you find the right broker for you. Never use an unregulated broker. Unregulated brokers are often online scams, as they can essentially do what they want with your money. So it's really important to be extremely wary of these type of brokers. A trustworthy broker is one that is regulated. And by being regulated, its activity is closely monitored by an official regulator. And this is designed to protect retail traders from malpractice such as fraud and manipulation. In the US, a reputable broker should be a member of the NFA, which is the National Futures Association, as well as being registered with the CFTC, which is the US Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Each country has its own regulatory body. In the UK, the regulatory body is the FCA, which is the Financial Conduct Authority. And the Financial Conduct Authority, the FCA, currently reviews the conduct of approximately 58,000 financial firms in the country. A professional looking website does not guarantee that the broker is regulated. To find out if they are, you should look at their About Us page, as well as looking up online to see if they are regulated. You should also look at where the broker is based, as different places have different regulations, as some countries are less strict. You should also look at when they got their broker's license, their overall reputation, and their operational history. Before we understand the importance of commissions and spreads when finding a broker, we must understand the difference. And basically the difference is that fees are a flat charge, whereas commissions vary depending on the size of the transaction. Nowadays, many brokers offer zero commissions. But are they really being nice? Well, the simple answer is no. They advertise that they charge no commissions, but instead make money from having wider spreads. And having a wider spread makes it more difficult to make money as a trader, because the price has to, instead of moving, let's say 2 pips until you're in profit, now has to move 4 pips. This makes it all the more important to mainly focus on trading major pairs such as the pound to the dollar and the euro to the dollar. Leverage is another important thing when looking at a broker. As a new trader, you should use a lower leverage, let's say 1 to 30 to start with, as having leverage can, if you're making money, greatly enhance your potential profits, but if you're losing money, it can amplify the losses. We explained what leverage was in a previous video. The next thing to look at is deposits and withdrawals. So when you first make a deposit, this is called the initial deposit. Many brokers nowadays offer a special bonus for doing that, and that could often be 50% once you traded a certain amount. Also, when you deposit, how long does it take for the money to allow you to start trading? Is it instant? Is it a day, or is it 2 days? These are things that you need to look at. When funding your account, most brokers offer a variety of options, such as Skrill, PayPal, credit card, wire, bank transfer. But sometimes they charge a fee for bank transfer and things like that. There's also things to look at, such as the withdrawal time. Some people like their money fast and some people don't mind. But often with brokers, to prevent against money laundering, the way you deposit, so let's say you deposit with a debit card, that's the same way you have to withdraw. The Forex market is open 24 hours a day on weekdays. So a broker's customer support should be available at any time when the Forex market is open. The expertise, skills, and availability of the customer service staff should be a major factor when choosing what broker you want to use. Another consideration when choosing a broker is the ease with which you can speak with a live person, as it is often a frustrating and time-consuming experience using an automated service. Some brokers offer their own trading platform, others use MT4 and MT5. The software that you decide to use should be the one that's very easy to use and should also be visually pleasing. You could also look for things such as the platform having a way to do technical analysis, but you could do this on TradingView, which we will explain how to do in our next video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Like and subscribe for more content like this. And I'll leave you guys with a quote. The goal of a successful trader is to make the best trades. Money should always be secondary.